How to transfer money from Zelle to Cash App. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to transfer money from Zelle to Cash App. First, launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. This is the home page of the app, as you can see. Once you are here, make sure you tap on the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. This is the profile section of your Cash App mobile application. On this page, there are various options that can help you navigate to different areas of your account. From them, make sure you tap this option here named Linked Banks. This will take you to this page. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. This page will appear. On this page, you will see the list of banks and cards that are connected to your Cash App account. Also, you can add a new one by tapping on this option here. After that, this other page will appear. On this page, there are sections where you are supposed to fill in the card information. Ignore them and proceed and tap here, No Card. Next, you will see this other page here where Cash App is explaining to you what happens when your Cash App account is connected to your bank. So proceed and tap here, Continue. This other page will appear where you will see a list of the available banks. Look for Zelle from the list. You can also search for it by going to the search bar here and searching for it. After you find it, tap on it, and you will be required to provide your login details. Go ahead and provide it. After they are connected, come back to the main page of the app, just like you can see here. Next, tap on the home page of the bank icon. It is this icon here at the bottom left corner of the screen. Next, tap on this button here named Add Money. A menu pops up. The menu has options that have predefined amounts of money. If you can see the amount you need, you can tap on it. Also, you can enter a custom amount by tapping on these three dots here, and then make sure you enter the amount you need on this page. Finally, go ahead and tap Add. The money will then be transferred from Zelle to Cash App. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you learn the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to transfer money from Zelle to Cash App.